Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change an engine cooling fan module for a Infiniti Q50 with a 3.0 twin turbo motor. So this works for the Red Sport, the premiums, as long as it has a 3.0 twin turbo motor. So anywhere from, I think, 2016 and higher. And I think Q60 is the same, but the title of the video is Q50. So this is a salvage title card, so don't mind, but you're gonna have clips and bolts on the engine cover here. You're gonna want to take out these clips and bolts from here, and then remove this lid over here. Mine is a little broken because salvage title, obviously, but there's gonna be clips or screws here that you're gonna have to take off, set aside. Your engine fan control module, or ECU for the fans, it's gonna be located right here. I already somewhat unscrewed it. There's 3 plugs that go into play, and what you want to do is first take off the bolts. To take off the bolts, you're gonna need a 10mm socket and wrench, and simply unscrew it, and then when it's loose enough, untighten it with your hand, like so. Now, once that's gone, it can be a little tricky, but I already kind of like halfway before doing this clip, took out one of the plugs that go into it, but you're going to have to push in like areas right here, I think, and pull and take out the plugs from this ECU. It's easier to plug it back in, actually. Now, I'm going to show you a little trick that I learned. You may want to do this carefully. So to take off this plug, you're going to push on top, right over here on top, and it may be stubborn to take out with your hand. So what are you going to do? You're going to get a flathead screwdriver and push gently where it plugs in against, but carefully so it won't crack. So I will link in the description where I bought this one. This is a Gates one, and this is OEM. So the only reason, like I said, I'm changing is because it got filled up with water when I was rebuilding this car, so this is probably toast. But here's a brand new one. I'm gonna leave a link in the description. Okay, installing. So the very first thing what you're gonna do is you're gonna plug it actually in, and actually it's not too bad to plug in. I'll start with the small ones. That's in. Got to remember which one, but usually it's pretty easy to plug in. And then the last one, the big one, goes in here. There you go. Then we're screwing them in. This one you're gonna have to go kind of blind on the bottom, but you should be able to screw it in by hand as well down there. Just gotta find it, and then should be able to kind of start it with your hands a little bit. If not, leave it in. It should not come out. You're gonna want to carefully then screw in at least this one right over here. And then obviously top it off. Gonna finish with this. And there you go. That's how you replace a engine fan control module, or engine cooling fan control module, on an Infiniti Q50. Not canceled. Guys, I'm Eddie B. 2004 turn right. This particular package, driving attempt on the 6 Series.